Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your favorite girl Anastasia, and your girl is back again with another video. Today's video is not just a wig install video, but today's video is actually a review on an innovative product. Yes, you guys, this wig that I am going to show you today is an innovative product. This is a braided wig, by the way, and this company, they are the only ones for now that I know that do braided wigs with human hair. How many times will you see a company that will do a braided wig with human hair? And you guys, this braided wig is from Jaliza.com. Yes, Jaliza is the name of the company. You guys, they sent me their beautiful braided wig for me to review. You guys, if you have always been buying braided wigs that tangle, that the curls that they use in the braided wig is not human hair, this is human hair. Like this wig, you guys are going to love it, trust me. So let's do a little bit of unboxing. You know how we do it here on the channel. You guys, the wig came in this box. Okay, so this is a black box, and I'm very sure you guys can see the name of the company, Jaliza.com. And when you open up the box, this is what you are going to see. You can see the name of the company, Jaliza. This wig comes with an eyelash. It comes with an eyelash. It also comes with a wig cap, which is very, very important. And then it came with this envelope. Yes, Jaliza Hair also added this envelope. And this envelope just contains, how you can style your wig, in case maybe you have any issue with your wig, you can return your wig back using this sleeve. Like this company, I love them because they are so organized. You guys, they are very, very organized. All right, guys, so let's get into the braided wig. So this braided wig came in this very, very cute small bag. So I'm going to open it up and we're going to see the wig together. You guys, are you ready to see this innovative product that I have been talking about since the beginning of this video? This hair is actually in a color 1B. A color 1B. I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys ready? Drum roll. Somebody should do drum roll for me. So I'm going to open this up right now. Yeah, you guys, this is the wig. This is the wig. You guys can see the color. This is color 1B. Color 1B. And I'm going to take out this net thingy so that you guys can see this wig. Hey, you guys, this wig is very, very soft. As I touched it, I can feel the texture. It is very, very soft. This is not a synthetic hair. This is human hair. Human hair braided wig. The curls on this hair, oh my god, you guys, this is actually very, very soft. All these baby hairs are actually human hair. All these baby hairs are human hair. This is not synthetic. This is human hair. So the baby hairs are actually very, very soft, and you can easily manipulate it to form the style that you want. I'm going to put the wig on my head so that we can see what this wig is going to give. I'm going to take out this, okay, like so. You guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this hair? I am not even done installing this hair and I already love it. You guys, this hair is very, very soft. I really, really love the texture. It is so soft, and you guys, this hair would not tangle. I know I have been saying it. It will not tangle. You guys, if you like, you squeeze the hair and roll it together you guys, it is not going to tangle. It is not going to tangle. It is not going to tangle at all. You guys can see it is not going to tangle because this is human hair. Let me take it out. Let's do a little bit of test. I'm going to scrunch this wig together. You guys would see that it is not going to tangle at all. So I'm going to scrunch it together like this. And let's bring it back out. Okay, you guys, after scrunching it up together, you can see that it didn't tangle. It didn't tangle at all because these curls are human hair, and we all know that human hair does not tangle. Human hair does not tangle. You guys, this is just so gorgeous. I forgot to show you guys the inside construction of this wig. This wig also comes with an elastic band. This is going to help your wig to stay secured, and it also comes with, you know, combs inside. In case maybe you don't have your hair braided, you can just use these combs to secure your wig. And it also comes with this extra strap thingy at the back. I don't know if you guys can see, it also comes with this strap thingy at the back. I don't want to bring it out because I don't think I'm going to use it. All right guys, so right now I'm going to add some foundation on my wig just so that it blends well, and I'm going to cut, you know, part of the braided wig because it doesn't sit very well on my ears. And then we can go on to install the wig and, you know, do some styles with this wig. Okay, are you guys ready for the install? Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Alright guys, so I'm just gonna pin this hair. I'm just going to put this on the hairline and I'm gonna lay it down. Okay. So guys, I want to try and do different styles with this braided wig. I don't just want to, you know, leave the hair down. I want to do a little bit of styling. So let's see how we can style this hair. You guys, this hair is very soft, like very soft. Because this hair is human hair, you can actually add your mousse to the hair just to make it more, you know, make it more silky and all of that stuff. So I'm going to use my Lotta body foaming mousse. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand and just run it through the hair. Okay, because this hair is human hair, so it can actually take, you know, you can actually take mousse just to make the curls more defined. I'm going to put some more on this other side of the hair. Okay, yeah, you guys, I'm going to put some mousse. Yeah, I'm going to put some mousse here. Wow, you guys, can you see? This is human hair, so you can see that, you know, it's not synthetic. So this hair actually takes mousse pretty well. So let's style up this hair, guys. All right. y'all just watched the video where I styled my hair in different styles, you guys, this hair did not tangle at all because it is human hair. If it were to be synthetic hair, you guys, I would not be able to do different styles with this hair, but because it is human hair, I was able to do different styles. You guys, don't try to do different styles with synthetic hair, it's not going to work. So if you know you want to get a wig that you will be able to style different ways without tangling, just go and buy this wig. Honestly, this wig is 10 over 10 minus nothing. This wig is making me look like Halle Bailey. If you know Halle Bailey, you all know that with this wig your girl is looking like Halle Bailey right now. This wig is just absolutely gorgeous. Guys, if you know you don't have the strength to go to the salon to sit for 6 to 8 hours to get your hair braided, just go and buy this wig, because with this wig you don't have to go to the salon to get your hair braided. You can just put the wig on, and the good part is that it is made with human hair, so you are rest assured that this hair is not going to tangle at all. You guys, like I said earlier, this wig is 32 inches long. You guys, this wig is 32 inches long. You guys can see this wig is actually very long. This is where it is getting to, guys. Can you see? This is just absolutely gorgeous. 32 inches long. 32 inches long. This is just so beautiful, guys. If you know how to take care of your hair very well, this is going to last you for a very long time. This is not like your regular synthetic braided wig. This is going to last you for a very long time. Jaliza hair, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful unit. I love it so much. You guys, this is just absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for sending me this beautiful unit, and thank you guys for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.